Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this huge free traffic source for affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic to promote your affiliate products, to promote your blog or website, to build your mailing list, to promote your dropshipping store or whatever you want. But I have to say that this method is a bit complicated, and if you're a beginner, don't worry, I'm going to show you everything step by step, so make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When you go on SimilarWeb, you will see that this website is getting 170 million visits per month, which means that this website actually have a good potential for affiliate marketing. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. Second thing you need to do, you need to find products in that niche to promote. And for that, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, or any other affiliate network. But because I'm running polls on my YouTube channel so I can make better videos for you guys, I know that most of you are actually using Digistore24. So I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace, and let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I actually need to scroll here and click on fitness and health. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products here in order to find the best one for you to promote. So let me just, for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here, Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Here you can see I can earn 38 euros per sale. That is about $40 per sale. Here you can see sales rank is number 2 on Digistore24. Cart conversion 20%, cancellation rate is 13.7%, which is pretty high. But for the example of this video, let's just say I wish to promote this product here, Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Okay, next thing you need to do, you need to write a quality and trending article in your niche in order to get as much traffic as you can. Now, to find trending articles in your niche, you can simply go on Google and here in search bar, in this case, I'm going to type keto and then click search. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on news. And here you can find trending articles in your own niche, as you can see here. And what you need to do, you actually need to rewrite one of these articles, or you can simply pay someone to write you article on one of these topics. Now, I already wrote an article about one topic, and this is my article. As you can see here, lazy keto diet, the difference between clean and lazy keto. As you can see, I actually targeted 2 different keywords. So let me just show you potential of these 2 keywords. So let me just copy this lazy keto, and when I go on Ahrefs free keyword generator, I'm using a free version because I know that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to pay for the pro version. And I'm going to paste that here, click here, find keyword, confirm that I'm not robot, and give it a few seconds. As you can see here, 8.7 thousand people search this keyword every month in United States. Keyword difficulty is 25, which means I can actually rank for this keyword. And like I said, I also target another keyword, and that is clean keto. So I will simply copy this, Control C, go back here, and I'm going to paste it here, find keyword, confirm that I'm not robot, give it a second to actually process this. And here you can see 3,000 people search this term every month in United States. Again, keyword difficulty is 25, which means I can actually rank for these 2 keywords. And these 2 keywords together are getting more than 11,000 searches every month in United States alone, which means globally about 20,000 people search these 2 keywords every month. And I can actually get a good chunk of that free traffic for these 2 keywords. So now when you have your article, now you need to upload that article somewhere in order to start getting traffic. And we are actually going to upload that article on a website called Wattpad. As we saw on SimilarWeb, Wattpad is getting 170 million visits per month. And when we go on Ahrefs Authority Checker, we will see that Wattpad has authority of 85. Maximum authority is 100, which means we can actually easily rank on first page on Google for these keywords here. As you can see, keyword difficulty is only 25. So what you need to do, you actually need to register. Obviously, you need to register for a free account on Wattpad. After you register, what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner and then click here on My Profile. And you need to edit your profile. Click here, Edit Profile. And here you need to add brief description, what you are actually going to write about on this page here. And here you need to add your link. Now you can add affiliate link, but I would recommend to actually add a link to your landing page, Linktree or whatever, not a direct affiliate link. Okay. After you finish everything, just click here on Save Changes and it will save changes. Next thing you need to do, you need to click here on Write and then click here Create a New Story to create a new story. Here you need to add title, so let me just go back on my article, and title of my series actually will be, let me just copy this, Lazy Keto Diet, and I will paste that here. And here I need to add a short description. So for this purpose, I will simply copy this, okay? And I will paste it here, okay? And name, I can add my name, let's just say Zoran, okay? Category, I need to choose category. Let me just find the best one for this purpose. Let's just say non-fiction, for example, for this purpose. Tags, I need to add tags. So let's just say keto and press enter. And I will add just one tag, but you will add more tags, like in this case, ketogenic diet, keto diet, weight loss, and so on and so on. Who is your primary audience? Let's just say adults 25 plus, English, all right reserves, not major content. And this is also really important. You need to add a cover image for your stories, for your series. And you need to add a royalty-free photos. Now you can find royalty-free photos on Pixels or Pexabay, but for this purpose, I'm actually going to use Unsplash. So what I need to do, here in search bar, I can simply type keto and then click search. And then what I need to do, I need to go here any orientation and I need to click on portrait, because when we go back here, we need a portrait image, right? So go back on keto and you need to find a right photo, catchy photo. Okay, this photo here. Now this is a kind of provocative photo that will get a lot of attention. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here and then I will click here and I will choose small photo and then click here download, and I downloaded this photo. Go back on Wattpad, click here, upload cover, and this is the photo, okay? And this is how it looks. As you can see, this is a catchy photo. And I added everything, so just click here on next. And now I actually need to add my article. Now you should open your article with photo, eye-catchy photo or a video. Now for this purpose, I'm actually going to use video. So just click here on this camera. And what you can do is you can simply go on YouTube and here I will just type keto, okay? Press enter. And what you need to do, you actually need to find videos with most eye-catchy photo, most eye-catchy thumbnail, or with a famous person in that niche. So let me just find one of these videos. Okay, let me just go through these videos a bit more. Let's just say, okay, Dr. Oz, he's famous person. So what I need to do, right click here and then just click here on copy link. Go back on Wattpad and paste that link here. As you can see, automatically embedded that YouTube video here. And I need to add the title to my part 1. So I can simply copy this title here. Okay, Control C, and I will go back here and I will paste that here. And here I need to add my article. So what I can do, I can simply highlight everything, Control C, and I can paste my article. You can add more photos and videos. That is always a good thing. But for the purpose of this video, I will not do that. But as you can see here, you cannot add links in these articles on Wattpad. And that is why on the bottom of the article, I actually said this. I added call to action. And I will actually make this bold. Click the link in my bio to get keto meal plan. Because you cannot add links in the article, I added a link in my bio. My affiliate link, actually I added link to my landing page. And after you finish everything here, all you have to do is just click here on publish and publish this article on Wattpad. And you will start getting visitors, you will start getting readers from the Wattpad. And also what you need to do, you need to start building backlinks to this article in order to rank this article for these keywords here on Google. And if you build enough quality articles, you will actually start ranking this article on first page on Google and you will start getting free traffic. And this is actually a passive income with affiliate marketing because you will start getting the traffic in next few months, maybe even a few years. You can build those backlinks from related Facebook groups, from Pinterest, from Instagram, from TikTok, from related forums, from blog commenting, from Tumblr, and so on and so on. And the more backlinks you build, the more your article will actually rank better on Google. And if you manage to rank this article on first position on Google, you will even start getting 5, 6, maybe even 8,000 visits every month, totally free and making passive income with affiliate marketing. So this is how you make passive income with affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.